Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I'm at Thomas Gibson's house here in Beaufort, Georgia. A little overview of the roof. We obviously have widespread wind damage up here, but also looks like we got a lot of tarping on the front slope too. Obviously, I don't know when these tarps were put here, but it looks like damage was caused when trying to put the tarp under these shingles. So today I'm going to be removing a damaged shingle to test the repairability of this roof. Here is an overview before we start the repairs. Obviously, here's the wind damaged shingle. I'm going to let you guys follow along through each step of this repair. I'm going to set you guys down on my cushion, angle you guys, so you guys can see all the shingles involved. Get you a little closer since I had to zoom out. Alrighty, guys. Looks like this one is up. Two nails right here, guys. Wow, we got another two nails right here, which is kind of odd. Right next to each other. Man, I got another two right here, guys. About an inch away from each other, half inch. Might have to fill in these nail holes with a couple extra shingles, or a couple extra nails. There's only supposed to be 7. Where's this one at? Supposedly there's a nail over here somewhere. Right here. Yep. So it's underneath this shingle, guys, but it's not protruding through here, which is why I couldn't see it. So I'm gonna have to go underneath all of these shingles. We'll have to go underneath the damaged one, but all the way up there. So the nail is right here in the shingle on this shingle. So it's all the way at the top. Now that should be the last one. Obviously there's been about 5 extra nails in this thing, and love that. So probably the same thing, guys. Goodness, how many nails are we dealing with? Huh. All right, I'm gonna have to show you guys this one because I'm obviously having to lift these a lot higher. All right, here we are, guys. So as you can see, it's the nails in this shingle, but when I lift this up, nowhere to be found, right? nowhere. Now, if I lift this shingle all the way up, it's under there. You see it all the way up there? Now, come over the shingle, there's no protrusion showing that nail. There's nothing. So as you can see, I have to go all the way up there at the top of the shingle, of this shingle, to remove that. Obviously, I want to lift these as least as possible, but whoever put this roof on decided that 10 nails needs to go in each shingle. Let's count. Let's count how many nail holes we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Got around 14 nails in the shingle. That's double what it should be. It's ridiculous. I don't need to get stuck on the felt paper right now. Come on. All right, new shingle going in, guys, after removing the 100 nails. Guys, I'm gonna fill some of these extra nail holes. Obviously, I can't fill the ones that were tucked all the way up under the shingle because I'm not able to see the hole that they were in, fortunately. Alrighty, guys, new shingle into place. Here's an overview, guys. As you can see, I don't know if you guys could hear in the video, the cracking of these shingles when they were lifted at the point of resistance. Now you can see all the loose granules on here. Now next windstorm, rain, any kind of inclement weather, it's gonna knock these granules off. So for video purposes, I'm gonna very gently rub my hands across these shingles. And as you can see, the loose granules that come off because of the repair. Now I can do the same thing to shingles over here that were not affected, even with more force, more speed, and there is no change, no effect of the shingles. So obviously the repair is what did this. I'll go ahead and chalk these up and take some photos for you guys. Thank you for your consideration.